Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and done well in your test. Okay, we are again welcome back to our studies. We will be reading the new chapter class. We will be reading the new chapter 4, Yudhishthira and the dog. Okay, hope you all have done well in your unit test 1. Okay, and this is really very good student that you all have attempted your test and you all are cooperating in this poor condition of our country, and it's really appreciating for you all. Okay, let us read about the new story. As students, we will come to know in this story that we should never forget the people who have been with us in our bad times. Those person who are our real friends. We should never avoid them in your good times. Like when we have taken their help in our poor times, so we should always keep with them in our good times also. Maybe after your achievements. Okay, let us read this story. This is very good story. The war of Mahabharat was over. The Pandavas had defeated their cousins, the Kauravas, and won the war. Yudhishthira, the eldest of the 5 brothers, had been crowned as a king of Hastinapur. But the Pandavas were not happy because many of their relatives had lost their lives in the war. After some time, they decided to leave Hastinapur forever and go on a pilgrimage. You all know, students, what is pilgrimage? Pilgrimage is a journey when we are going for a holy place. When we are going to a holy places like temples. Okay, you all know about Mahabharat very well, and in this Yudhishthira was the eldest sons among 5 of them, and he was crowned as the king of Hastinapur after defeating his cousins. But he was still not happy because they have lost many of their other relatives in that war. Okay, see what happened next. So one day at the crack of dawn. Crack of dawn means, students, the early in the morning, like 4 to 5 o'clock when sun is going to rise. Now see, the 5 Pandava brother and their wife Draupadi left the place, dressed as a sadhu and walking barefoot. Barefoot means beta without sleeper, without your shoes, without your sandals. That is barefoot. They set forth on a pilgrimage to different holy places. Finally, they reached the Himalayas. The glorious mountain ranges stood covered in snow. The Pandavas began their climb. The mountains were steep, and the snow made the path slippery. But the Pandavas and Draupadi kept on walking bravely. Bravely means in very active manner. Somewhere on the way, they were joined by a dog. It followed them as they climbed up the steep slope. It walked through snow and over rivers of ice, resting and climbing by turns as they did. Slowly, the Pandavas, especially Yudhishthira, grew very fond of dogs. So, when the 5 brothers and Draupadi was climbing the steep mountain, they met with a dog, and Yudhishthira was very fond of dogs, and he loved animals. Now see, but all this time the Pandavas were very getting weaker. But you all know that when we are climbing the mountains, we sometimes we get tired, so getting weaker and weaker. Now see, one day Draupadi felt so weak that she simply fell down and died. Because of his weakness, uh, because of because of weakness, Draupadi died there only. A few days later, Sahadev also died. Over the next 2 days, Nakul, Arjun, and Bhima also died because of the weakness and poor condition of the weather. Now see, only Yudhishthira was left. He and his faithful dog kept climbing up and up. At last, when Yudhishthira had climbed a great height, Indra, the king of God, appeared before him. Indra was mounted on his chariot, which shone like a sun. Yudhishthira said, Indra, your brothers and Draupadi have already reached the heaven. Climb into my chariot. I have come to take you, so that you may join them. So when Yudhishthira with his dog were climbing up the mountain, he saw that the king of God, Indra, was in his chariot, asking Yudhishthira to come and join them. Then see what happened. So as till that time, Yudhishthira was ready to climb into the chariot, but what about the dog? The dog also tried to climb in it. Dog also wanting to come with in the Yudhishthira, because they were both cooperating each other during the mountain climbing. Now see what happened. No, said Indra. The king of God said no to dog, but it's like dog were not allowed to the heaven. There is no place for dogs in heaven. Then there is no place for me either. Then what Yudhishthira said? Yudhishthira said, if you will not allow the dog to come in the heaven, then I will also not come with you, said Yudhishthira. Then see, he refused to sit in the chariot, as it meant leaving his faithful companion behind. At this, the dog vanished. Now what happened? See, when Yudhishthira was also not ready to go with king of gods, Indra. Now because God Indra was not allowing to dog to come into the heaven. Now see what happened next, students. Now see, students, now what happened? The story is really very good. See, now what happened? In its place stood Dharma, the god of right action. He had come in the form of dog to test Yudhishthira's loyalty, and was very pleased at what he saw. As you all know that who was the dog? Dog was the god of right action, Dharma. The god came into the form of dog to test the Yudhishthira's loyalty, and God was very happy and pleased with Yudhishthira's loyalty. Then see what? At last Yudhishthira climbed into Indra's chariot and reached the heaven. Then when he was judged by the god of right action, Dharma, what Yudhishthira did? Yudhishthira climbed into the Indra's chariot and reached the heaven to join all his brothers and Draupadi. Okay, hope you all have understood the chapter, and this is really very good chapter. Students, go through the chapter, and in this chapter we all come to know about the loyalty of a person, and we should always keep the friendship until and unless, and you should always follow the real friend, be a real friend, so that the person who is helping in your bad time, in your poor condition, you should always continue with them after your achievements, and when you are becoming a rich person, or you are achieving all your achievements. Okay, students, now come to exercise B, given on page number 31. State true and false Arjun was crowned as the king of Hastinapur. It is false, because who was the king of Hastinapur? Yudhishthir. Now second one, Kaurav won the war of Mahabharat. It is also false. Third one, Yudhishthir was the eldest of 5 brothers. This is true. The third one is true, students. Okay, do it in your book. Somewhere on the way they were joined by a bull. It's false, because they were joined by a dog. Yes, on the way Indra, the king of gods, appeared before Yudhishthir. It's true. Now come to C. Put a tick on the correct option. See the first one, students. Yes, the Pandavas decided to leave Hastinapur forever and go on to pilgrimage. See the second one. The 5 Pandavas and Draupadi left the place at the crack of dawn. The third one, the glorious mountain stood covered with snow. Fourth one, somewhere on the way they were joined by a dog. Fifth one, Indra asked Yudhishthir to climb his chariot and go to heaven. Yes, students, complete this exercise in your books, and we will be doing the question answers in your copies and with the help of worksheet. Okay, go through the chapter. It's very easy chapter, easy and nice chapter. And still you have any problem, please let me know, and I will be explain you again. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.